a photo op and you may coordinate with the Brilliant team to claim your prizes. Alright, now for this raffle, may I now call in Brilliant Skin CEO Miss Shed to join me here on stage for next